Princess Level at iniimbitahan ko po kayong panoorin ng episode 1 na lalapit na po ito sa October 8, Ube Halaya. Ayan, kung gusto niyo po ng halo-halo na magpapainit sa inyo, panoorin niyo po ang bawat episode ng halo-halo. Ayan, directed by Direk Roman.
Hi, this is Ida Manzano. So, huwag niyo po kaligtaan ang sinabi ni Denise na Halo-Halo X, the first episode Extra Rider, this October 8 na po. So, as you can see, we have marami kaming ipapakita sa inyo na iba't ibang kwento, iba't ibang kaseksihan ang mapapanood nyo. So, don't forget to wait for it, watch for it, okay?
Hi, this is your girl, Audrey Amalayan. Abangan niyo po yung Halo-Halo X Rider this coming October 8 only on Viva Max. And I swear, hindi kayo mabibitin.
Well guys, this is Matt Mendoza. Iniimbitahan ko po kayo panoorin ang Halo-Halo X Rider episode sa October 8 po, directed by Roman Perez.
Yun guys, I'm Victor Losa. I'm inviting you all to watch Halo-Halo X. First episode this Sunday na Extra Rider. Samahan nyo kaming mag-ride sa iba't ibang storya ng mga castmates.
Yun na, Halo-Halo X, October 8 na po. Abangan nyo po yung Extra Rider at syempre yung mga kasunod na episode. Yan, directed by Roman Perez Jr.
Hello everyone, I'm Jella Kaika. So abangan niyo po ang first episode ng Halo-Halo X ngayong October 8 na po yan. Siyempre, directed by Direk Roman.
Hello po, iniimbitahan ko kayong manood ng Halo-Halo X first episode sa October 8 na. Directed by Direk Roman Perez. Saka yung episode din po namin, Surveillance.
Hello everyone, I'm inviting you to watch Halo-Halo X on October 8. Sa Surveillance po kami nila Jalay Cuenca, Betsing nila, di nandun din si Mark Fernando. Sorry, Mark Francisco, yan. Siyempre, only on Viva Max. Thank you po.
Hi everyone, I'm Garcia here and inviting you to watch Halo-Halo X. Great sex episode on October 8 na po yan, only on Viva Max, of course, directed by Direk Roman Perez Jr. What's up, Aranet? What's up, Viva Cafe? I'm Atasca and I play the role of Melissa sa great sex episode of Halo-Halo X. Ayan, abangan nyo ang pinakamasarap na series sa Viva Max. Ang bago ng Sunday Habit, Halo-Halo X, ngayong Sunday. Ngayong Sunday. October 8! Yes, October 8. Please do watch it.
Hi guys, ako nga pala si Hero Carmelo and iniimbitahan ko kayo lahat na manood sa October 8 Saturday midnight yan. Actually, Sunday na pala, Sunday midnight. Na sana panoorin niyo yung ginawa nating anthology. Kasi para sa inyo talaga to. Eh talaga namang matitikman nyo, maihipo nyo, masusubaybayan nyo ang bawat sarap na ginawa dito sa Halo-Halo X. And syempre, panoorin nyo rin ang episode na ipapalabas natin, which is Extra Rider, and the rest of the episodes and episode namin syempre Great Sex. Thank you so much.
Awesome stuff. Thank you, everybody. Final group photo bago tayo mag-goodbye this afternoon. Yeah, let's all do the action of Halo-Halo X, the choreography na ginawa ni Direk Roman Perez. Okay. Ayan po, maraming salamat to everybody who joined us in our media conference this afternoon. Make Halo-Halo X your Sunday habit. Thank you very much. My name is Phoebe Walker. Ingat po tayo pa uwi. Have a good rest of the day. Thank you and congrats.